Okay guys, so today it's 19 degrees outside. We need to go start the E90 and put some fuel in it. It needs to warm up a little bit. We don't want to sit in the car the whole time it's warming up because it's 19 outside. We're going to freeze our butt off. I'm going to show you how to start these cars and where you can actually let them warm up with the doors locked with no key fob. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're in this car. Let me close the door. Definitely not warm out there. Okay, so what we're gonna do first, we're gonna put the key fob in. You can see the blinkers kind of in the way, and we're gonna start the car up just like you would do any other day. Then we're gonna turn the radio down so we don't copyright strike. And what we're gonna do here at this point, we are going to turn that down. We're gonna turn it back off. Okay, we're gonna take the key out and we're going to start it back up. I believe you have to do that, I believe it's 15 seconds. It may be less, it may be more. You have to do it right away. So right now the car is running, the key fob is in my hand. Now you could actually get out with it running, and with it running you can lock the doors. So you watch here, everything's locked. Now the car is running, the doors are locked, you're safe to go for warming up. The only problem with this is somebody busts the window out, they could drive. They can only drive until they shut the car off. Once they shut the car off, they can't restart it without the fob. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is a very tiny tip, but a very invaluable tip. Now you E46 guys, E39 guys, all you older guys with the older cars, have no choice to do this. The only choice you have is if you're E36 guys, you can slip the key out of it. It's nice and worn. That's it. You have aftermarket keyless entry stuff you could do. I don't know much about that. I don't know anybody that has it on their car. If those come into me with it on the car and the car has issues, usually that stuff gets taken off. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. We'll see you later.